So hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel guys. So today's video is going to be so freaking important because in this video you are going to learn how to memorize vocabulary. Actually this question one of you guys has commented me today this morning, actually a few moments back. One of you guys has asked me saying what is the process of memorizing vocabulary. So in this video I am going to answer of this question. So that is why this video is going to be so freaking important because you guys already know memorizing vocabulary is the very exhausting part in our English learning journey, right? Or memorizing vocabulary is the very difficult thing to keep staying in our brain for a long time, right? So that is why guys I would say this video is going to be very important for all of you guys, especially who all are at initial phase, right, as I am. Okay, so before I dive into it, so first of all my bra is visible again and again, right? Yeah. Okay, so first as usual, if you guys are new over here, I have a small request to make to you, and that is please give a like and press the subscribe button for more such kind of relevant content. Okay, so let's begin. The first obvious reason that I came up from myself is reading. Yes guys, reading is something, means here what you should study in order for you to memorize vocabulary, right? Or how will you study so that you can memorize this vocabulary for a long time. So for this you have to do a lots of things here guys, not just one thing, right? Guys, I am going to share here step by step so that you also can benefit from a lot the tips that I am going to share with you right now, right? So first that you should always remember guys, watch the video that are related to your contacts. What do I mean by contacts? Means I am explaining to you, like if you have question, such as if you one of you guys today, as I told you earlier, that asked me how to memorize vocabulary. So you asked me and I am replying, right? And I try to explain how do I memorize, right? So this kind of context, this is a context you can say, right? One kind of, right? And next context is blogging, you can say, and the third context is conversation. So I hope I made you understand what is the meaning of context, right? So means in which context you would like to make video or you make videos, right? So in the same type of videos you have to watch and listen more and more, right? Yes, first you have to watch and listen more and more in order for you to listen this word and speaking. Yes guys, if you don't listen then you guys don't catch the pronunciation nicely, right? So that is why make time to listen and watch. You have to watch and listen several times, right, in order for you to make them stronger into your brain, especially to reinforce your listening skill, right? And then you have to do the next thing, that's through you can memorize vocabulary for a huge longer time, right? Okay, so now let's come to the chase. What does the meaning of this phrase? Okay, so let's cut the chase. So what does it mean, this phrase or idiom? As I told you earlier, right? No need to explain again, I think, here, right? Okay, so the main technique that I follow, and that is reading transcript, right? And transcript, if you guys hear the first time, transcript. So transcript is the feature, and there is a feature you will get to see just after clicking the title of this video, right? When you click the title of this video, then you will get to see at the bottom here, you can see the transcript feature, and then you will get to see the entire speeches whatever I am talking here, right? So just after watching means you have to read once, right? And while reading guys, you will get a lots of words, right? And you have to screenshot, right? Or you have to write, right? Whatever you want you can do. And if I talk about me, I take a screenshot while watching if I am not sure about the word, right? Because if I take a screenshot, I don't just see the word, I got its entire phrase, right? And if I write its entire phrase, that means I get easier, right? I get easier to understand the meaning of this word, right? And if I still don't get this word, I help from Google, right? Yeah, that's how means I memorize vocabulary. But here there is one most crucial thing in order for you especially to make them stronger into your brain for a long time, and that is you have to note it down into your copy, right? Not note down into your copy while watching, right? If I took out me, I just screenshot and then I note it down into my copy, and then in the copy I review them. I review them at least 4 or 5 days continuously without skipping a day, right? Yes. And you also have to see this information, whatever you are writing, right, in the copy today, you have to watch them continuously 4 or 5 days, right, in order for you especially to make them stronger into your brain, right? And actually this is the main reason you guys forget them, right? And actually guys, if you don't review them again and again continuously 5 days, then your mind will think I think your mind will think this information is unnecessary, so that is why he is not review them, right? But if you review them again and again, then your mind will think, wow, I think this information is necessary, so that is why he is reviewing many a time in a day, right? So that is why guys means, and I hope you guys understand what I try to make you understand and what I try to say here, right? Yeah, you have to watch them continuously 4 or 5 days, and then when you feel like, yeah, I think I remember these words or these phrases, and then you can watch them after 15 days or maybe 1 month later, right? So that's how means you have to do things in order for you to reinforce vocabulary into your brain. Yes, so that is what you also have to do in order for you to make all of this information, means the information that you are writing while watching the video, right? You have to watch them several times continuously, right? And then you can keep them into your brain for a long time. But otherwise, as I told you, your mind will think this information is unnecessary, so that is why your mind will start forgetting, right? So this is the technique that I follow, right? And actually ensure ki reviewing is something that's true, you make this information stronger into your brain, right? So that is why reviewing, don't forget it guys, right? But otherwise your entire vocabulary, entire phrases what you have learned got spoiled. Okay, so start reviewing them, but otherwise your mind will forget them, as I told you earlier, right? Okay, so I think that's all for today. Means that is what I had to say in order for you to memorize vocabulary faster, right? And when you keep doing it, then your mind will think I completely remember them, right? I don't need to read them again in my life, right? So not just life, right? Means 4 or 5 months I don't need to review them, right? So when your mind will start thinking like this, and then you have to, or you should move forward, right? So that's how you have to do things in order for you to memorize vocabulary more and more, right? Okay, so that's all for today guys, and I hope you like this video so much, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends, family, wherever you would like to share, right? So okay, so that's all for today, and bye bye.